What if you could attach a tiny camera to an animal and see the world from its point of view? This entire video was created with AI. And the crazy part, I made this using Grok AI completely for free. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create these viral animal POV videos yourself. My name is Jen Francis. Let's get started. Alright, so welcome to my phone. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to head on to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT here. So click on it. If you don't have it, just go to Play Store and search for ChatGPT and download their app, or you can use their web version. So click on ChatGPT. Now, once you click on ChatGPT, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now, I'm going to paste in a prompt. I call this a master prompt. I'll be leaving the prompt on my Telegram channel and also on my WhatsApp channel. Link to join will be in the description box of this video. I would have read out the prompt, but the prompt is actually very long. That's why I won't be able to read all of them out, so that this video won't be long. Now, with this prompt, all this prompt is going to do for us is going to give ChatGPT instructions of generating the image and the scenes for this video. So now I'm just going to hit on send now. Now, ChatGPT has given us 10 realistic animals that can carry micro camera while naturally moving in their habitat. So here are 10 of them according to the instructions on the prompt that I gave it. So now what I'm going to do now is to select the animal that I want to create a video on, and then it's going to do the rest of the work for me. So I think I'm going to go with this fire ant. So I'll pick number 2, fire ant. And then we hit on send. Now that I've selected the animal that I want to create a video on, ChatGPT has given me the image prompt. This is the image prompt. This is the base image. Using this particular image, we are going to create the rest of the videos. And like I promised, I'm going to show you how to do this using only Grok AI, both image generation and video generation. This is actually very easy and simple to do. All you just have to do is to pay close attention. Now we have the base image, and if you scroll again, you are going to see the animation prompt for frame to frame video generation. What do we mean by frame to frame video generation? Calm down. As you're watching this video, you are going to understand that these are the scene animation prompt for this. Now, what I'm going to do now is to copy this base image prompt. I'll copy this. This is the base image prompt. I'll copy this. And then we go to Grok AI. Alright, so this is Grok AI on my phone. If you don't have it, just go to Play Store and install it, or you can use their web version. So I'll open Grok AI now, and on Grok AI here that says create video, just click here that says create video. Now once you click here that says create video, you are going to see this box here. Just click here to paste in that prompt that we got from ChatGPT. So I'm just going to paste the prompt here. With this prompt, we are going to create a single image. With that single image, we are going to create the rest of the videos. Now, once you have pasted your prompt, just click here. There are some settings that you need to adjust before we start creating this video. Click here. Once you click on settings, you are going to see different aspect ratio. If you are creating this video for TikTok, Facebook, obviously you should go with 9:16. But I'm creating this video for YouTube, so I'll go with the YouTube aspect ratio. That is the 16:9 aspect ratio. And then you're going to see this button here. If you are using Grok AI for the first time, the updated version, you're going to see automatically generate video from images, make sure to turn these two things off, turn it off. Once you have done that, go back and then you hit on send. Now Grok AI is generating different images for us to use. So these are the different images. Let me just pick the one that is going to work best for this. So I think I like this particular one. I think this one is going to work very well. Let me just click on it. You can see that this image is in 16:9 aspect ratio. Now I'm just going to click here to save this image. With this image, we are going to create the rest of the videos. You don't need to come and start generating different images for different scenes. All you just need is just one base image. Make sure to use the exact prompt that I use. I'll be dropping the prompt on my WhatsApp and Telegram channel. So go there to get the prompt. All right, now that you have selected this particular image, that this is the image that you want to use for animation, all you just have to do is to click on make a video. Click here that says video. If you click on it, you're going to see this option. Click on custom. Then once you click on custom, we are about to generate the first scene of this video. Paste in that same prompt that you got for image animation. Paste in that same prompt. This is the same prompt for image. Then click on generate. Now it's going to generate a video for us based on the prompt that I pasted. Remember, the same prompt that we used to generate this image, this is the same prompt that you are going to use to generate the first scene of this video. So let's wait. Alright, so our video is ready. If you look here, you're going to see the video. I had to mute the video so that you can be able to hear me properly. So you can see as the person is mounting the camera on the ants. Now what I'm just going to do now is to save this particular video, and then I'll go to the last frame of this video and take a screenshot. Now let me save this video. Alright, this is the downloaded video on my phone. So all I'm just going to do now is to take a screenshot of the last frame of this video. This is what we are going to be using to continue generating this particular video. So I'm just going to take a screenshot now, and then I'll crop it and go back to Grok AI. Alright, so back to Grok AI. Just click on create video again. Click on create video and then click on create, and here click on this plus icon here to add the screenshots that we took from the last frame of the first video that we generated. What this is going to do for you is that the video is going to continue from where it stopped. So click on it to select the image. Click on animate photo. Alright, so now I've selected the particular screenshot that we took from the last frame of the video. Now go back to ChatGPT. Now back to ChatGPT. After the prompt for image generation, the next thing you are going to see is the animation prompt for frame to frame video generation. Now I'm just going to copy this. It's in two prompts and the instruction as well. I'll copy this and then we go back to Grok AI. Now on Grok AI, I'll click on make a video, and then I'll click on custom, and then I'll paste in this. Once I've pasted this prompt, I'm just going to hit on generate. So let's wait and see what we have. Alright, now our video is ready. You can see the video here. Let me also show you the video on a bigger screen. You can see the video. Now all you just have to do is to download this video. But before we do that, make sure to always upscale your video. I forgot to mention that on the first scene. To upscale your video, all you just have to do is to click here that says options. Once you click on options, you're going to see upscale, that is increase the video quality. So I'm just going to click on upscale. Now it's going to upscale this video for us. So let's wait before we download. So now you can see that we have successfully upscaled this video to HD quality. Now I'm just going to click here to download this. Alright, now repeat this same process. Take a screenshot of the last frame, go to ChatGPT, copy the animation prompt for the next scene, and continue generating your video. Alright, so guys, I've generated all the scenes. All I did was just take a screenshot of the last frame of the generated video, crop it out, import that same screenshot on Grok AI, copy the scene, the animation prompt from ChatGPT, and paste it into Grok AI, and you are going to get your result. Now, all I'm just going to do is to select these videos. You can use any video editor of your choice, maybe CapCut, InShot, Filmora, VN. I'm using CapCut for this. I'm just going to select the videos now and import it. These are the videos, and I'm just going to import it. Now you can see that I did not crop anything. I'm just going to play this video now so that you can see that this video is a frame to frame video generation. Just take a look. You can see how simple and easy this thing is. I did not crop out anything. I did not delete any part. I did not split any part. I just imported it the way I generated it because this is a frame to frame video generation. All you just have to do is to use the master prompts that I'll be dropping on my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp channel, and you get the exact same results. Now, this brings us to the end of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section and I'll be there to reply. And if there is any trending video that you feel that you want to learn how to create it, let me know in the comment section.